Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add internship to your LinkedIn profile. So for that purpose you have to open the LinkedIn app. From here you have to tap on your profile icon and tap on the view profile button. Now you have to scroll down and search for this experience option. Now tap on the plus icon. Now tap on the add position button. Here you have to fill the title like assistant manager. You have to select the employment type to internship. Now you have to type the company name like Adobe. Now if you want to enter the location, it's your wish, like I am entering it by United States. If you want to select the location type, then tap on please select and tap on hybrid, remote or on-site. Now you have to choose the start date like October 2023 or whatever you have. Now you have to scroll down. If you want to write any description about the internship, then you can write it in the description box. Otherwise, you can add some skills like computer aided design, videography, department management, department supervision, and etc. if you want any more. If you got any certifications during the internship, click on add media and add them certificates and tap on the save button. Now you have to tap on your next again and cross this. Now you have to tap on this delete button and tap on the cross button again. The internship will be posted here. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.